Bonjour à tous et bienvenue dans cette vidéo. Good day to you all and welcome to this video. So today we're going to the part 2 of our pronunciation class, and today we're going to be looking at the consonant and the semi-consonant. So if you've not watched the part 1, please go ahead to watch the part 1, and then we're going to start with the part 2 today. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for subscribing. And if you are just coming, welcome. Bienvenue, bienvenue, bienvenue à Learn French with Ovo. Okay, so let's get right into today's class. We're going to be looking at les consonnes et les semi-consonnes. Okay, so on commence tout de suite. We begin immediately. So the first one is k. K. The k sound is what we have in kana. Okay, kana, canal, k sound. The second one is t, t as in tabac, table, t, the t sound. The very next one is p, p as in parler, parler, p. We've seen the first three, k, t, and p. The very next one is the sh sound, just like you're saying sh. So we have words like château, chaise, chaise, château. Okay. The next one is the sound s, as in set, says, six, s sound. Okay, so we have looked at 5 sounds now. I'm just going to recap the k, the t, p, sh, and s. Moving ahead, we're going to look at the sound f, as in photo, photo, falloir, the f sound. The very next one is the g, as in Grégoire, gâteau, gâteau, the g sound. These sounds are not so strange because I think they both apply in English as well. So for the consonant sound, you don't really have to, stress about it. Once you say the G sound, you just know that, oh, this is a g, gâteau, gâteau, Grégoire, the g sound. Now we have the d, as in deux, domestique, deux, number 2. We have the b, beurre, beurre, butter. Okay, so that's the b sound, b. That's another good word, bébé, beurre. Okay, the next one is the j sound, je. It comes like a z, je. The je is je m'appelle, bonjour, je. Now that is the je sound. Okay, the next is z, zèbre, lisez. Now this lisez, you see that the s is in between 2 vowels. Okay, so when your s in French is between 2 vowels, the s is pronounced as z, lisez. Okay, the very next one is v, voiture, voiture, avion, avion. Okay, so let me just run through all that we have done now, the 10 sounds, before we move ahead. I hope you're practicing. Okay, so we have the k, as in canal, t, tabac, p, parler, the sh sound, château. We have the s, as in set, f, photo, g, gâteau, d, deux. We have b, beurre, je, z, zèbre, and v, voiture. There are some sounds you may be noticing in between these words, but we're going to get some enlightenment on that. Okay, so ne vous inquiétez pas, don't worry, that's why I'm here. We're going to do this together. Now, moving ahead with the consonant sounds, we have L, as in lit, livre. We also have the N, nouvelle, nouveau. Okay? We have the which is madame, monsieur. We also have the R sound. Now, this R sound gives a lot of problem. But you know what? There are two things to it. If you have tried so much to do the R sound and you don't know how to do the R, you just leave it the way it is. Naturally, it will come. When I started learning French, I didn't know how to do the R sound. But with time, as I got to listen to more of their audios, I got to know how to use the R sound. Sorry, I'm just checking if this is recording. I don't want stories that touch. So you get to know how to do the R sound, okay? But then it's more like you're feeling a vibration in your throat here. So you're just saying R, R, R. Okay, let me see. So it's like you're feeling a vibration. There's a vibration here. R, R, R. So that's a R sound. Okay. They also have the ing sound. Campagne. Okay, that's like the N that has the thing. Campagne. Okay. So these are the vowel sounds. Okay. So moving ahead, we also have what we call the semi-consonant. Okay. So this, you have the OI sound. The OI sound in French sounds like wa. So you have moi, toi, soi. Okay. So OI in French is pronounced as wa. What's more, we have the y, like in cahier, cahier. Okay, so these are the sounds I could get my hands on, the consonant and the semi-consonant. Okay, so please, I would like you to revise this video, go back to look at each sound. But before we go, I'm going to do a mini exercise here, which is going to like merge all the sounds we've been learning. Let's try to put our sounds in a sentence. Ready? Sentence is this. Can you read this? Okay, so I give you 5 seconds to process it. Try reading it, and then we'll read it together. Okay. Le château est magnifique. Le château est magnifique. The second sentence, here we have it. Okay. La voiture est très chic. La voiture est très chic. The third one, it's a bit long. Je danse avec la fille chaque soirée. Je danse avec la fille chaque soirée. The fourth one, il est l'amour de ma vie. Il est l'amour de ma vie. And the last one, le livre parle de l'histoire. Le livre parle de l'histoire. So how did you do? So here, as I said earlier, I have a membership program. You can join in. Let me hear your words. You can also leave in the comment section what you feel about this, what I think I should add and all of that. So I really treasure your comments. I would like you to leave your comments. Is this video helpful to you? Share with your friends. Subscribe and like this. Subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you. So this is where I'm going to call it an end today. So please watch out for my next video, still on French learning tips with Learn French with Ovo. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.